Infusium Moisturize plus Replenish Conditioner. Leave hair feeling more moisturized with the Moisturize plus Replenish collection that features formulas infused with avocado and olive oils to help hydrate and quench dry, dull hair. 33.8 ounces bottle. Repair, Restore, Restructure. Designed to treat even the most damaged hair, Infusium's formulas contain the I-23 complex, a customized blend of proteins and conditioners, for healthier-looking hair. The I-23 complex is blended with pro-vitamins, proteins and amino acids to deliver shiny, beautiful, and healthy-looking hair. I-23 also contains vitamins, essential fatty acids, panthenol, vitamin B5, moisturizers, and humectants. Moisturize plus Replenish. The Moisturize plus Replenish collection features our classic light and soothing scent. We've infused these formulas with avocado olive oils to help hydrate, quench dry, dull hair. How to use. Apply liberally into wet hair. Leave for 3 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Use in combination with Infusium Moisturize plus Replenish shampoo and original leave-in treatment. Salon professional experience since 1928. The creators of leave-in treatment, Infusium's full line of salon products is formulated to beautifully transform even the most damaged hair. Repair, restore and restructure your hair with the new Infusium professional hair treatments. Our transformative formulas contain the I-23 complex, a customized blend of protein and conditioners, which are designed to treat even the most damaged hair. The Moisturize plus Replenish Value Size collection features our classic light and soothing scent. We've infused these formulas with avocado and olive oil to help hydrate and quench dry, dull hair. For best results, use with conditioner and leave-in treatment. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, fast delivery. Personnel use, refill soothes.